Hi, welcome to section 0.1 of the VR Development in Unity course, VR and Unity. So let's start out by asking, what is VR? Well, VR is a technology that uses position tracking and headsets to immerse a user inside a 3D simulated environment. You may be familiar with VR headsets such as the Oculus Rift and Quest, the HTC Vive, and the Valve Index. Currently, VR is mostly used for entertainment, but other applications for it exist as well. So why are we using Unity to build our VR applications? Well, according to Unity, around 60% of AR/VR content is created using the game engine, making it the biggest game engine for developing virtual experiences. This means that VR in Unity will have a vibrant community, making it easier for you to receive support if you come across any issues. Furthermore, as it's the most popular solution, learning VR in Unity allows you to easily find others to collaborate with on projects. Many popular games, including Superhot VR, Job Simulator, Pistol Whip, and Beat Saber are made with Unity, showing that the game engine has great potential for making impressive games and applications. So let's wrap up this relatively short video. In this lesson, we looked at what VR is, and also learned about Unity and its use in VR development. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, where we will start section 1. I'm excited to see you there.